Good evening, everyone. Before anything else, allow me to respectfully acknowledge the presence of our esteemed induction officer, Kuya NP Ronald De Los Santos, for leading today's meaningful rites with dignity and purpose, whose leadership and guidance greatly contributed to the success of this event. And our dedicated PL Director, the idol of many, Kuya Ronaldo Borge Bora. Mga kuya, maraming salamat po for your service and commitment. My apologies to everyone as I am unable to be with you on this special occasion due to time's constraint on my visa release. Nonetheless, please know that you are all in my heart and I stand with you always as your governor. To our newly inducted members of Victoria Knights Hinirang Eagles Club, mga kuya at ate, my warmest and heartfelt congratulations to all of you. Today marks not only your formal entry to our fraternity, but the beginning of a lifelong journey anchored in service, unity, and brotherhood. By taking your oath, you have embraced a responsibility greater than yourselves to be men and women of integrity, compassion, and action. Being an eagle is not defined by titles or recognition, but by sincere service to the community, genuine concern for others, and unwavering loyalty to our core values. As a new member, I encourage you to stay active by attending your general monthly meeting and community service. Remain teachable and always lead with humility. Learn from your club officers. Si Kuya Pres Joven po ay laging andyan to guide you. Respect each other mga kuya at ate, and most importantly, support one another. Remember that our strength as an organization lies in our unity and shared purpose, especially in serving those who need us most. So mga kuya at ate, on behalf of Calabarzon Mother Region, I assure of you that my full support as you grow, serve, and make a meaningful impact in your respective communities. May your club, the Victoria Knights Sinirang Eagles Club, continue to soar higher, guided by discipline, brotherhood, and love for service. But don't forget to invite me on your first anniversary, mga kuya, anyway. And once again, Kuya Pres Joven, and to all newly inducted kuya at ate, congratulations po and welcome to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, Calabarzon Region, under the leadership of our very own Kuya NP Ronald De Los Santos. Kuya NP, maraming salamat po, as well as Kuya Borge, maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang Victoria Knights Eagles Club! Mabuhay ang Calabarzon Region at mabuhay ang Agila!